All right, well, I'm back at the job site here, and as you can see, there's been some progress that's been completed here, some framing that was not here previously. It's in now. The laundry room walls have been built. Now the electrical circuits have been also ran to specific locations. For example, here at the laundry room, we have our laundry outlet, washer and dryer machine outlet, some other outlets for receptacles. As you can see as well here, the kitchen has been, for the most part, it's being worked on electrical wise. It's had its receptacles ran, it's switching for the lighting. So all this switching here for this box is going to be for under cabinet lighting. So these are switch legs that would control different parts of the lighting for the under cabinets. We have more countertop receptacles here that have been wired. I believe there's 1, 2, 3, 4. No, there's going to be 3 countertop circuits, and then the others are going to be for the range hood, the refrigerator, the stove, and the lighting. So we have several circuits here, and as well we have this box is going to be for the switch for the laundry room light. So as you can see, progress is getting done here. We haven't been working, but they've been at it, running the wire and finishing up the framing. This is the kitchen. Now as we move back, we will see more wiring that's been done for this boxes for the receptacles here in the staircase. Also for a switch for a closet that's going to be installed. I mean, not a closet, but a light that's going to be installed underneath the closet here for under the staircase. That's going to be the light box right there, and it's going to be lighting for this small closet here. We have our switch here, and as we move along, we're going to see more makeup that's being completed. This is going to be for the staircase lighting here, as well as lighting for this light sconce is going to be here, which hopefully you can see there. We have more switches here. This is going to be for the fan and the clear story fan and the clear story lighting. We have some hanging lights on the clear story, and some more switches here for this side of this other staircase here, for the light that shines up that way, and also for the light that shines up on this wall sconce here for this staircase. And as I mentioned before on the previous video, over here is where we ran our, hopefully you can see if I scoot enough back here, we have those home runs coming on those top 2x4s. Those are the ones that we had string, and that string allowed for an easy pull for those wires. Now that you have staircases here and it's hard to put ladders against that third wall, and I still can't walk upstairs, but as you can see up there, we have the sub panel and all the home runs that are going to be landed eventually to the sub panel, and as well as the bathrooms back there. And I believe the bathroom hasn't been done because there's a lot of work needs to be done still for the bathroom before the wiring can go in. There's 2x4s that haven't been installed. So you can see here we have more receptacles here that they're here because per code you need to have them, obviously 6 feet and 12 feet, and this is the only way that we were able to get them within 6 and 12 feet. We had to put 2 on this side of the staircase. And here we have more switching for for lights that are going to be controlling different parts of this loft. That way, when you enter this room or exit this room, you can turn on light that are either right above here or on the main entrance, depending how far you're going to walk and where you're going to want to stop, at the kitchen or here in the living room, or the yeah, I would say living room, this area here. All right, so now that we're at the back of the room, so I remember that when I was here the last time, this room was almost completely wired. Now it has its home runs and makeup has been done on these boxes. Maybe the lighting is not that great in here right now because we have just this light on the floor that's not that bright, but there's also cans up here that the cans are going to be for the lighting for this unit. There's 4 cans. They haven't been daisy chained together yet, but the wire, the switch leg is up there now. That will be controlled obviously through this switch here that's going to be installed in this 4 square here, as well as lighting for this other closet that's going to be built right below the staircase as well. There's going to be a light there as well, and that's the light that's going to be lighting up this closet here. And yeah, I mean, there's more Romex work that's been done here, and it'll keep on going as you can see. We'll have more electrical work to be done here eventually. Obviously, there's other things that need to get done. Some more construction or framing, and then eventually they're gonna jump onto this wall and start doing their EMT surface mount boxes for the receptacles that are going to be on that side of the loft. And still, as before, I still can't walk upstairs to show the upstairs progress for those rooms in the loft, but when I can, I will make sure to stop by as well and walk up there and show you how it's looking. Hopefully I can get up there before they start sheetrocking, because I know they want to start sheetrocking. But yeah, it's coming along. And just check this one out here. I like this because it has, as I mentioned, even though this is residential, they're still you can learn a lot of things, even with remodels like these, where you got to use both Romex, use EMT, and use MC cable. So all those are used here in this box, and they'll be used also throughout this project, and that just provides more hands-on experience working with the different types of you can say forms of electrical work, which is EMT, Romex, MC, and all that good stuff. All right, well, I'll leave it at that, and hopefully this just provides a good update for you guys, and you guys can see how it's turning out. All right, well, you guys have a good one.